The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Original Cleaning Pads, available in a 6-count pack, are 2 times stronger than the leading all-purpose bleach spray thanks to their DURAFOAM feature. These versatile cleaning pads are capable of tackling dirt all around the house, functioning as a surface cleaner, wall cleaner, bathtub cleaner, oven door cleaner, and even erasing marks on light switches and doors. The Magic Erasers are not only tough on dirt, but also provide a powerful clean using just water, eliminating the need for any harsh chemicals. This product is manufactured by Procter Gamble, a well-known and trusted brand in the household supplies industry, and is available in various forms such as extra durable, kitchen, and original. The Magic Eraser is a lightweight product weighing only 5 units and has dimensions of 190 units in height, 59 units in length, and 138 units in width, making it easy to store and handle. With a high review score of 4.7 out of 5 from over 22,000 reviews and approximately 60,000 units sold monthly, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is a highly rated and popular choice among consumers.